Jerry, Rickman Hondas. Now these are a bit of a rare old thing, aren't they? What's
These are rare. Not often do you see Rickman come through. 750 version with the Honda 4 motor. They also did a Z900 Kawasaki version. There was Rickman trail bikes and stuff around.
So where does the Rickman frame originate from?
These all come from the UK. This particular bike supposedly was built through in Scotland, through Ian Kirk.
Yep.
The sticker in there's on the sidecar, plus it also is stamped into the engine VIN.
Yep.
With the identification.
Okay.
The Rickman factory. The vendor has contacted the guy with the build and had a yak to him about it. Great collector piece, isn't it?
So it's you wouldn't say it's in restored condition, but it's in pretty good original condition.
It needs a bit of a tidy up. It has spent a bit of time sitting around. It does come with a Rickman sticker kit in gold.
Okay, so all the stickers can be replaced with the new kit.
Replaced.
Okie doke. Something a little bit different.
Yeah, it is something a bit different.
So this one comes up again on the 24th of this month at Grays Online.
This Friday.
Give us a call on 1300 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays. But a Rickman Honda 754, pretty rare old bike, and certainly something for the collector.